Welcome back to the channel. Today for the S2000 build, we are focusing on removing the front subframe.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today our next task is we're gonna try and lower the front subframe to a 2006 S2000, also known as the AP2. In order for us to drop the motor in there, we're gonna remove the whole subframe assembly, and then we'll apply then we'll install the engines on top of the subframe. And then we'll just raise everything up at the same unit, the whole complete motor, transmissions, and the whole front subframe. Okay, so here we go. So for starter, we're going to remove the caliper along with the stainless steel line, and we're just gonna house the caliper, the brake caliper, onto the strut spring unit.
Dave, why don't you tell us where the bolts are at? You just removed.
Yeah, so there should be someone already worked on this vehicle. Basically there should be a 19 millimeter bolt, just as this long here. There should be one here. There should be one here, and there should be another one back here. So there should be 3 19 millimeter bolts on each side, and there's 3 more on the other side, and they're approximately about this long. And then you should be able to drop the whole subframe. And what we did was we just simply separate the bolt at the bottom of the low control arm, and we're basically remove the lower strut bolt here as well, and we simply gonna drop the whole subframe along with the rack and pinions with the subframe. Okay, so here we go. There we go. So there's 2 more nuts on the outer tie rod end to the rack and pinion that I almost forgot to remove.
And that's it. We got off the subframe.
So we have the whole subframe. And these were the performance engine mount that we were mentioned on the previous, in one of our other postings, with the performance engine mount for S2000.
We just ordered a brand new set. We're waiting for those to come in, and then we'll make another video on how to assemble those, and then eventually have the motor installed right on top of that. Okay, with best practice, we always want to make sure that whatever nuts and bolts that we remove, we put it back so that we don't end up misplacing it. So that's what Damon's doing right now. He's putting together some of the bolts that he removed earlier for the suspension, for the brake area, calipers, just to make sure that we don't just misplace this, because of course, you know, with all the nuts and bolts, we want to make sure that we put them all back together at the end of the day. So that concludes our subframe disassemblement of the S2000 or AP2. We will come back with another video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and follow us as part of our S2000 build.